Hi, my name is Noelani Baselala. I'm 17 years old and I'm from South of Kandavu. What motivated me? I can say my brother. Yeah, like even though he's been he got injured really worse, but despite his injuries and his past experiences, but he still managed to push through and made it this far. Well, I started playing rugby in 2022 in the Lomaviti club, a Junjan Lomaviti club, and through the careers, it hasn't been easy. It was really hard. Have been training with talented girls. To be honest, I was not expecting this to reach this far, to have reached this far. Oh, the senior players, they were really supportive. They helped me a lot through. They've been supporting me, advising me, and yeah, they've been really helpful. I attend online classes, some classes, so I train through the day and have classes in the afternoon. It's been really great. To all the young girls out there, all you have to do is just to be consistent and do what you do. If you want to be successful, all you have to do is just to put God first and continue to strive. And the girls have been training really hard, so yeah, the expectations is there. It's really high, and yeah, I know the girls will make Fiji proud again.